Hello, and welcome to Gates Design Power Pro Tips series, where Gates experts share details on how to create belting drives using Gates Design Power software. I'm Nick Beatty, and I'm a product specialist for thermoplastic polyurethane belting products, also known as TPU, and I'm based out of Denver, Colorado. In this video, I'm going to demonstrate how to use the TPU module in Design Power to specify a TPU belt for a conveying application using the Belt Specification Calculator. The TPU module is unique in the sense that it is specifically designed for specifying TPU belts, which are used in a broad number of belting applications, from conveying, positioning, lifting, and occasionally power transmission. While the specific application requirements vary slightly by application type, three general types of information are needed to specify a belt: the drive's layout, the load experienced in the application, and any environmental conditions the belt will be exposed to. Today, we will focus on a conveying example with the following requirements. For the drive layout, our system has one belt conveying the product. This drive is a pull configuration, meaning the conveyor motor is at the head of the conveyor, pulling the top side of the belt and the associated load towards the motor. The pulleys on both ends are 100 millimeters in diameter and have a center-to-center distance of 2,300 millimeters. This design is a flat conveyor. The belt slides on a UHMW PE bed. We'll use a self-tracking belt in this design to eliminate the need for any pulley flanges. And for easy installation in the field, the belt will have a mechanical splice. Now, for the load details. The maximum amount of product on our conveyor at any one time will be 50 kilograms. The maximum acceleration our conveyor will experience will be 1 meter per second squared. And our conveyor will run at a speed of half a meter per second. The environmental conditions relevant to our belt drive are that our conveyor will be running with many production operators nearby, so we will select this as a noise-sensitive environment. Now that we have all those details organized, we will navigate to the TPU module within Design Power. After selecting the TPU module, we are presented with two different options of how we would like to proceed. Since we are looking to specify a new belt, we will select the Belt Specification Calculator. We know we are looking to work on a conveying drive, so we will navigate to the Conveying tab and select the Straight Conveying sub-application type. Once within the calculator, the format will look familiar to the three types of information we discussed earlier, and we can start filling out the information that we've prepared. For drive layout, we will enter one belt for the system, a pull drive, a 50 millimeter wide belt, a center-to-center distance of 2,300 millimeters, and pulleys each having a 100 millimeter diameter. Since this is a flat conveyor, we will leave a 0-degree conveying angle. UHMW PE is already selected as the slider bed material. And for self-tracking and mechanical splice, we will make sure to select yes, as we would like those attributes. Moving on to application load. Similar to my option to enter either belt length or center-to-center distance in the drive layout portion, I am also presented with an option to enter the load placed on the belt in a couple of different ways. Since we have this information readily available, we will stick with the current option. We'll put in 50 kilograms for the maximum load, 1 meter per second squared for the maximum acceleration, and half a meter per second for the maximum conveyor speed. Lastly, we'll make sure to note any environmental conditions our belt is exposed to. In our case, the only one that will apply today is noise sensitive, since as we discussed earlier, there will be production workers working close by this conveyor. Now that we have all of our information entered, we will select the Recommended Products button in the bottom right of the screen. The calculator compares our inputs to the portfolio of TPU belting and presents us with a range of viable options. Details of these belting options, safety factors in the application, as well as their physical attributes, can be viewed across the different columns presented. These options can be filtered down using the filter tool on the left side of the screen, or by clicking the top of the respective column to sort from high to low or low to high. And that is how you use the Design Power TPU Module Belt Specification Calculator to specify a conveying belt for your application. Thank you for watching this Design Power Pro Tips video. If you enjoyed this video, go to the Gates YouTube channel for more Pro Tips content. And if you feel like you need additional support, feel free to contact our TPU Inside Sales and Application Engineering team by sending an email to sasales@gates.com or calling us at 603-890-1515.